Oh, that is a good steak. Oh my goodness, this is so much food. But the good thing about winter camping, the food doesn't go bad. I'll just put that in the snow and it'll be good for tomorrow. Here you go.
What happened?
You like that?
Well.
Oh. He's trying to get away.
Well.
Mm-hmm. So if we get any burbot, we'll know about it. All right, just gotta wait for a bite. My back is killing me. I think I need a chair. Oh, that feels good. To say my back is sore is a gross understatement. I brought a soda along to drink and it froze solid. It's a local soda. This flavor's spruce tip. We're gonna see if we can't thaw it out a little bit.